Welcome back to Ireland AM. Now, this morning we're showcasing maternity looks that blend comfort and style.
And we're joined by the one and only Mandy Maher. Good morning to you, Mandy.
Good morning to you both.
Hi, Mandy.
So let's get straight into it. And it's all about pregnancy looks this morning. It's a
indeed.
maternity look.
It is indeed. It's all about the baby bump. And as we said earlier on when I was chatting to you, Muireann, I feel that maternity wear is something that we really don't showcase a lot. And there's so many women just are in a haze of what do they actually wear while they're pregnant.
Yeah, and
So
we've got Katie with our first look this morning.
We do
This is
indeed. Very excited for Katie.
Katie's due next week.
She is, and I just said, I hope to God her waters don't break on air this morning. But we're super excited with our first baby arriving, please
Katie, I
God.
didn't even know you were pregnant. You were here just a couple of months ago. My God.
This
I
is
hate
a
it well.
beautiful top on it.
Okay, so right, Katie, how are you feeling?
All good, yeah.
How has it been dressing for pregnancy?
Not so easy.
It is. It's hard, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it was difficult for sure.
It was difficult to get a
So,
thing.
yeah.
So are you comfortable in this?
Oh yeah, very.
Okay, so Mandy, talk us through
There's a
what's
bit of a
going on.
stretch in the pants.
Yeah,
There we
is.
go.
That's what you need.
And I have
Yeah.
to say, she actually came and did all the fittings with me on Saturday. She was amazing to come and help me out. But I'm loving. I wanted something that's a little bit funkier and different, and also pieces that possibly you can wear for afterwards as well, for after baby is born. I'm loving this waist, but we've been seeing quite a lot of these kind of styles on the catwalk here over the last couple of months, and it's just so super chic. Love the colour. They have them in a few colours in Zara, but I'm loving the gold button details, so to give that little
Gorgeous.
extra
Yeah,
bit
it's
of
lovely.
chicness, I think.
And then the jeans you sized up, did you? Is it just a matter of sizing up in them?
Yes, I did. I went up a size on the jeans and they're elastic waisted because, again, you want to know what can you buy and what can you mix and match in your wardrobe, whether you're wearing them daytime or whether you want them for night. And that's what I love about these. And for coming home from hospital, we want something that's going to be comfortable for coming home
There's
as
a lovely
well.
wide leg on these. Yeah.
Absolutely, Alan. And they're so, as I said, there's no reason because you're pregnant to look old-fashioned, because I think people often feel, what can we wear? You can wear high street at its best and still look super smart
Katie,
at the same
a
time.
legend, due next week, and she in a pair of wedges.
I know, yeah.
Give her a medal.
Now, to be fair, I will give her the credit on this. She actually chose those herself. She says, I'm putting wedges on me the next day. I'm
They're
going,
the
okay,
easiest.
fair enough. But, you know, it's bringing the whole look together and loving it.
Absolutely
Of course,
gorgeous.
these
Love that bag.
bags, have we been seeing quite a lot
Yeah.
of these bags? But honestly, you're not in fashion if you don't have one of these bags this season. I love it. And there's actually a gold chain in the inside of that as well, if you want to wear it on the shoulder.
And then just you're matching them with the earrings, with the navy jeans.
Exactly, and these are from Fezzi Maisie. They're an online company, and again, like that, it's just bringing the whole look together. And I'm loving it. The gold little bit on the earring, as I said, matching in with the, of course, with the buttons on the top.
Katie, you look absolutely fabulous. Due next week.
Absolutely
We'll see her back in just a second
We
anyway.
will indeed.
Here's Maria.
And we welcome Maria next.
Now, Maria
Maria.
had to tell her friends that she was pregnant
She
because she
did.
was coming on
Just announced.
Ireland, yeah. So it's just announced
We
it to
just
everyone.
announced it. Muireann announced it there at 5 to 9 this morning, and her phone is hopping since, and everyone's going, oh my God, we did not know you were expecting. But you're Maria, we don't do things by half, do we?
Don't mind Tubbs putting it like that with Due. You can do your pregnancy on Ireland AM. It's perfect. And you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
Tell us about this.
So the dress itself is a check dress, which I'm absolutely... Again, I love this because I think it's something you can have probably pretty much halfway through your pregnancy right through to the end because of the elastic on the waistline of it.
And Maria, is that how you'd feel about this, that you'd be able, this would carry you through your pregnancy?
Yeah, it's so comfortable and stretching the elastic as well.
And have you gotten to the stage where obviously you were keeping it a secret, so you were trying to hide, were you?
Yes, yeah. So now I'm happy to wear things that pronounce
That's
it.
beautiful.
You can just
gorgeous.
go, "Whoa."
Yeah.
I love
much more
that. I
comfortable.
love that. It's a beautiful dress, Mandy. That suits anyone.
It absolutely does. And what we did today is we kind of brought it a bit more of a daytime theme because we went with flats on the feet, but you could easily pop heels on with this as well if you wanted, obviously, for more of a nighttime look.
Lovely
But you
sandals.
put a lovely pair of sandals with it.
Yeah, I
here.
did, and I love these. I just think they're absolutely fabulous. I just think they worked absolutely perfectly with this. And I was being very kind to Maria by not giving her the wedges like Katie. But I just think it just brings that look together. And again, even like that, even for holidays, is this outfit ideal? And we know we're supposed to be getting hot weather coming up over the next couple of days. This is absolutely perfect.
These are amazing sunglasses.
Yeah, of course, you know me now in the
great.
sunglasses. I have a thing about sunglasses anyway. I always feel winter and summer, they finish any look. And they're giving that real richness vibe as well.
Yeah, the earrings, you're so matched in this look. It's fab.
Yeah, and the earrings again are from Fezzi Maisie, again online, but I'm loving them because there's a little bit of the gold link along with the black, bringing the full look together.
And
Your
then
little bangles, bracelets there.
And then decided to theme up the brands. We decided to layer it, Alan. We could have gone one, but you know yourself.
on.
We decided
Throw on
to
three.
throw on a few more, and it works
perfect
really,
bag.
really well.
Oh, Maria, lovely to have you on. Thank you for telling the nation on Ireland AM that she's pregnant with
the
her
breaking
first
news.
baby. Now,
Now, look at
Mary,
this.
who we look at, Mary, when are you due?
About 3-4 weeks.
3-4 weeks.
Yeah.
3 or 4
No mercy on the girls this morning.
How are you feeling?
I feel great, actually, really, really well.
This is your third.
This is my third. So I have a 5 and a 7-year-old, 2 boys, Dylan and Dean. So this is my third.
And do you know if it's a boy?
No, I don't know. I don't. I love the
so-
surprise. I have to say, I do love the surprise.
And how have you found dressing your baby bump?
Like that, it's hard. You just have to get used to your body shape changing. A lot of time I just size up.
Yeah.
I
And do
find
that.
it
Because
yeah.
this dress here now, this
fab,
is
isn't
This
it?
is
fantastic.
stunning, isn't it? And this is what I'm saying about maternity, where you can look so well and yet do it on a great budget, because there's occasions coming up. We're always going to have occasions coming up. If you have a wedding, if you're a person that likes races or anything like that, I think this dress speaks volume. I
gorgeous,
love
yeah.
it. And this is a real Mary Lee dress. When we spotted this on Saturday in the Athlone Town Centre, I said, oh my God, this dress is
Is
definitely
this
for
off
here.
the shoulder? Have you styled it like that?
No, it's off the shoulder,
right,
Alan.
okay.
And it's sexy as well. I mean, isn't it nice to have that little
No,
bit of...
yeah, totally.
You can make that work afterwards with a belt.
Oh,
you
yeah.
can do a little jiggery pokery with that, I think. Yeah.
You absolutely could. We just went up a size for Mary, that's all. So it absolutely, you could wear a belt if you wanted to.
Heels is, oh, Mary Lee, you're trooper with the heels.
Yeah, these are shoelace, and I'm loving these. But sure, we all love a little bit of glitz and glamour. But sure, we had to go with the heel with this. I love them. I love the two-tone on them as well, which is very different and unusual actually for gold.
And
Gorgeous.
you've matched it with the little glitzy bag, which is gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm loving this.
That's a lovely
And
bit of
again, like
glitz.
that, they have a little chain in the inside of it, Alan, if you wanted the chain. But I love the handle on this. I just think this, I love this look. I just think it's just super.
Yeah.
And of course, the glass.
Gorgeous sunglasses.
Sunglasses
And
again, Mandy. Yeah.
And yeah,
earrings.
absolutely. And if you see kind of the sunglasses are working perfectly with that kind of like, there's nearly like a shade of lemon even going through those sunglasses to bring it all the full look together. But it just gives that whole vibe of,
Yeah.
you know, looking really well, sharp. And as I said, especially when you're pregnant, I think you need to rock it out.
If Mary Lee goes into the maternity dress in that, can you imagine? I
know.
pulled that in my face, going, oh my
I'm going
God.
into the maternity ward in this.
Oh, Katie, this is incredible.
In all honesty, when we actually saw this on Saturday, I said, we have to showcase this. I just think this is phenomenal because we've dressed it up. It's for occasion, but you could easily wear this cape with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt and rock it up during the day with a pair of
100%.
trainers. This is what I love about it. Isn't it fabulous?
It looks so, so good. It's
Is
such
it just in the green?
It's just in the green, Alan, but isn't it just... to me, it just speaks couture. I just think it just looks super
looks
expensive
incredible.
looking. It's different. It's, as I said, thinking outside of the box when it comes to fashion. But as I said, we had to showcase it this morning. I think I got overexcited when we actually spotted that cape on Saturday.
It's amazing. The dress underneath it, again,
It's
is that
gorgeous
one.
as well.
Like all the things that you've used are in shops. You're just sizing up. Is that what you're doing?
That's exactly what I did. I went all high street and literally just went up a size with all
Yeah.
of
This dress is lovely.
Ellen, isn't this super? I just think there's always something about cream. It never dates, and it always looks super chic and a lot more expensive, as I said, than what it is. But I'm loving the button detail, loving the shell
Gorgeous.
belt, and we brought the whole look together. Then, if you notice, with the shell bag. to
Now,
bring-
Katie mightn't fit a nappy in the bag, but it's great for the time.
It'll hold the lippy anyhow.
fine.
That's about it.
And she's in the high heels.
And then we went with heels again, and I know she's absolutely squashed into the heels, God bless her. But I says we have to go the heels to finish off the look this morning.
Swollen feet, and there's Mandy Moore. Put them on, put them on.
I wasn't the worst, was I? I treated her to a cup of tea and a slice of apple tart afterwards on Saturday. God, you're making me out to be awfully bad, honestly.
I love the earrings
and
to
then
finish
went
it
with
off.
the hoop earrings. Then honestly, Alan, you're hilarious. And then went with the hoop earrings to bring it, as I said, to bring the full look together. But honestly, I don't think I've ever been so excited about showcasing fashion for maternity wear at its best. It's been able to showcase day to night wear, and to think that my babies are all due babies. I'm so excited.
And
for
where
every
are
one
the
of them.
clothes from?
Everything is from the Athlone Town Centre. this
Okay,
morning.
great.
All her babies are due babies, so we're going to do a baby fashion segment. Before you know it, Mandy will have the babies
we
wheeled out.
probably will.
And she'll have loads of clothes on them.
But
As,
it's so
as Derek
exciting.
said here on the floor, all 7 of them must have sat in the same toilet seat.
He actually did. He said, I know, we did say that this morning. I'm having a mad baby boom. But thanks so much to Mary, Maria and to Katie this morning.
They're
It's
so
just
good for
fair
coming
play
in.
to them,
It's
fair
lovely to
play.
see them.
you.
Thank you so much, Mandy,
Thank
as
you so
always.
much.
Thank you
Thanks
so much. Up next, we're going gardening. Back with you in a minute on Ireland Day.